Model 1, standing pouch label. Prepare the standing pouch. Prepare the label that has been printed on sticker paper. Remove it slowly. Put the label on the front side of standing pouch carefully and neatly. Stick it slowly. Do the same on the back of standing pouch. Standing pouch is ready to use. Model 2, glass package label. Prepare the glass package and the label. This is the label that have been printed on sticker paper. Remove the sticker slowly, put it on glass package. Stick the label neatly and slowly till it cover the glass in a circle. The glass package is ready to use. Model 3, composite in package label. Prepare the composite in and the label that have been printed. Take off slowly. Put it on the composite in a circle. The label is already attached to the composite package.